Hey guys, this is Pollo. Hey, I'm with my new project bike, a Cbr600Rr. This is a 2006 bike. I'm having a problem with this bike. This bike starts only 25% of the time, and I'm trying to fix that problem. You see? So we need to address this problem before I start making this bike beautiful. So we need to check a few things. We need to check if we have fuel, air, compression, and spark. So I'm going to do a couple checks first. You know, um, maybe the fuel is contaminated. So I need to remove this fuel, the neo fuel. I'm going to check the injectors. Um, I'm going to remove the filter, check inside the air box to see what I find. All right. So I'm going to keep you posted. All right. Thank you for watching. This is Pollo. Go, 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 go.